If you're like me, you're always on the go and you're busy. But guess what? Young Nails has their own press-ons. I'm gonna take you quickly through how fast you can apply these. So first, I'm gonna show you what comes in your package. You're going to get 32 press-ons, a file, a little cuticle pusher, an alcohol pad, some nail tabs, and a glue. So we get choices, we can decide how we're going to apply them. I'm gonna show you both ways. First, we're gonna prep our nails. And I'm gonna show you how to do that with just everything that's in here. And we're gonna start with prep. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out our little orange wood stick. And if you notice right at the tip, kind of looks like a pusher, and that's what we're gonna use it for. So we're just gonna start by gently pushing back our cuticles. This is not aggressive, guys. I don't want you poking through your skin. Do it nice and gently all the way through all 10 fingers. Next, we're gonna take out our little file. This is all you need. This is all you need. We're just gonna take it and prep the top of our natural nail. I'm just gonna kind of go in a back and forth motion, and I kind of use this to push back the cuticle a little bit at the same time too. Do not get aggressive. We're just removing the shine. That's it. That's all you need to do. You can use either side is fine to use for this. Next, we're gonna grab our alcohol pad and we're gonna cleanse any dust and oil because we want a really, really clean nail from the nail beds. Next, we have choices. Are we going to glue? Are we gonna use the tabs? What's the difference? Glue, we're gonna last quite a while. I would say 7+ days. Tabs, I've worn them for a whole 2 days. I always say, if you have a special date night, I'm getting ready to go to a wedding this weekend. I'm gonna be putting on a set of tabs, press-ons with tabs, and I'll be good to go for the whole wedding all day long. I'm gonna show you how to do both. Okay, first, we wanna size. So let's size our thumb. And I'm gonna tell you a few things that I appreciate about these tips. Not only are they very strong, which back in the day, they were very flimsy, but the big thing for me is a lot of press-ons are completely round in the back. But guess what? If you look at my thumbnail, I am not completely straight round in the back. It's almost like a squoval shape, right? It's kind of got a square and then it rounds up. So we want tips that do the same thing. So when we put them on, look how flush that's going to look. Okay, so what we want to look for, right? I'm going to show you. If you look at the side, it meets the sidewall completely without overlapping or falling too short. And the same thing on this side. It fits comfortably, and I'm not having to put a lot of pressure down for it to happen. It's comfortable, so when I release the tip, it's not going to pop up. Okay, I sized myself out, so you'd want to do all 10 fingers at once. And now I'm going to show you first how to apply glue. So we're just going to twist to the right, open this up, get rid of that. And we have a little knob at the top, and we're just going to twist that off or cut it off, either way. So now you'll be able to get the glue to come out. I'm going to take that thumb, and I prefer to put the glue in the tip. You can put it on your nail if you like. I personally like to glue the tip. So just a little bit. I am barely pushing. I don't want to drench this, and some of this will spread. And that is about the perfect amount for my thumb. So once we have the glue in, I'm quickly gonna turn it around. You don't have to stress, you don't have to go at Mach speed, but quickly get it turned around. I'm gonna kind of angle it up. I kind of gently push back on that cuticle, and I'm gonna rock it forward. I'm gonna quickly kind of let go and make sure it's straight. I have a little time to make a little wiggle room. And then I'm just gonna put pressure all the way around and make sure that glue is nice and down. There's one thing I forgot, guys, when you're doing this. I'm gonna show you the tabs next, but you wanna make sure your nails are fairly short. If you have long nails already on, you're going to see that nail kind of bend. It's not gonna conform to the press-on. That's why it is easier and will look better if your nails are fairly short. Okay, next we're gonna size our tabs. I'm gonna show you two different ways on how to apply the tabs. Okay, so the first way is you can take the tabs, and you can see they're numbered, and you just kind of go along your nails, and you kind of see, I put it in the middle, I rock it to the side, I look at my side, and I go, yeah, it'll fit from that side to that side comfortably. You want it to reach from one sidewall to the other pretty close. That way everything's nice and sealed. We're gonna pull the protective film off. I'm gonna grab that number. You got a little upper piece tab. That's what we're gonna pull from. I'm going to take and just kind of, I'm gonna take it and get as close to that cuticle area as possible. Looking at my sidewalls, it's pretty good. Once I have it down, I'm just gonna push everything out and down. Make sure it's nice and pressed in. This also helps release the plastic. Just a little tip and trick. As you can see, it's already starting to release. And then I'm gonna pull that plastic off. Once we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that size I picked out for my middle finger. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I kind of take it to the back, and if you look, I tilt it up. I kind of push back slightly on that cuticle, and I rock it forward. Once we have that, I can put pressure all the way around. Next, I'm going to show you how I like to do it. So I actually size it out into the tip itself. I'm going to set it right in the tab, and I can see that I'm right up against that cuticle area of that tip. I push it down. Here's another trick to this. Let's say you don't have any more tabs that fit perfectly, right? Go a little bigger. If you have some hanging off the side, you can clip it off at this point with your cuticle nippers. So just a little tip and trick, right? So now, once we have that, I can pull this off and put it on. Again, I'm gonna hold it back. I'm gonna push in slightly at that cuticle area, and I'm gonna rock it forward. Check real quick. That way, before I really secure it down, that I'm straight. Good. Let's secure it down. All the way through, sidewalls, cuticle area, through the body. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my nails, and I'll show you the finished look. And just like that, we are done. So if you're on the go like me, I don't care if it's wanna look boss lady in the boardroom, or you are going out on a date night, or maybe you just wanna look cute in your sweats on your couch. Press-ons are the way to go.